Namaskar. A thank you to my gurus. I was missing my gurus today and I thought why not I speak with you? For me, dance is my worship. It may not be my religion, but it definitely is my way of worship. And Guru, to me, is my God, because this is the highest form of reverence that I can surrender on the feet of my gurus. In my journey of dance, I have had 3 gurus who have nurtured me at different stages of my life. Which is why I would like to start my thank you with a couplet. The couplet goes like this. Guru Govind do khade. Guru and Govind, my Guru and my God, both were standing in front of me. Guru Govind do khade, kake lagu paye. Who do I surrender to first? Balihari Guru aapne, Govind diyo bataye. I, as a student, would like to surrender to my Guru first because he is the one or she is the one who led me towards God, the truth. This person is the person who enlightened me with the right knowledge, with the right mind and the power to make a decision between what was correct from what was incorrect, what was right, what was left, what should and what shouldn't be done. To such a person who's removed this darkness, Guru comes from the 2 words, Gu and Ru, which means the person who removes the darkness, the remover of the darkness. To such a person, I surrender. My 3 gurus were Guru Wickremasinghe, Srimati Kapila Raj, and Rammohan Maharaj. I started my journey in dance with Guru Wickremasinghe. Guru Wickremasinghe came from Sri Lanka. When he saw Kathak and when he saw how it was nurtured on the soil of Lucknow, he literally fell in love with the art form, the culture, the tradition, the society, everything. He adapted and adopted the entire culture within himself. So first and foremost thing that I learned from my Guru, Guru Wickremasinghe, was if you belong to something, somehow that soil will also belong to you. It has to be based on reciprocity. Wherever you may live, that soil, that air, the sky, the space, everything will have to be you, and you would have to surrender to that. That's the first lesson I learned from him. You don't have to be born in a place to be identified from there. You can adapt and nurture and be it. So to belong to something is something that I learned from my first Guru, Guru Wickremasinghe. He levied the roots of classical dance forms in me. He told me that if you want to go higher, you'll have to go deeper. Your roots will have to be stronger in order to fly higher. So yes, thank you Guru Wickremasinghe ji for giving me this knowledge. And this fact of life completely took over my childhood because I realized that the deeper you go, the higher you'll be able to fly. After that, I met Kapila Raj. In fact, my own Guru, Guru Wickremasinghe, introduced me to Kapila Raj. Kapila Raj was known for her abhinay. And being a woman, it was, according to my Guru, it would have been easier for me to understand the rasa theory, the Naika expressions and emotions. Somehow learning from Kapila Raj and understanding Naika Bhed, Nayak Bhed, Geet Govind, the rasa theory, all that became easier because we could relate more simply because I could replicate or reflect what she was feeling. Being a woman, she taught me, in order to live a character, you have to breathe in life into that character. And to be that character, the first and foremost, what you have to do is empty yourself and let that feeling or emotion or the sthai bhava live within you so that you can then project yourself in order to create rasa. So yes, Kapila Raj had a very emphatic, very prominent impression on my life. I was in my 20s, still learning the ways of life, trying to understand myself and the environment around me. With this knowledge of Abhinay, I was able to understand and deconstruct my own emotional journey in order to represent what I was showing. My third Guru, Ram Mohanji, he is a wonderful performer. And he taught me that in order to do a good performance, you need to follow the discipline of dance. The ethos and the parameters of performance, the etiquettes of performance is something that you have to nurture, imbibe, polish, practice, and then reflect. These three gurus I met in three different stages of my life. They made so much sense to who I am today that from within me, all I can say is, Guru Govind do khade ka ke lago paye. Balihari Guru aapne, Govind do ye bataye. You're the one who told me what to do, when to do, how to do. So with your blessings, whatever I have been blessed with, I'd like to then nurture it, polish it, program it, assimilate it, master it, and take this legacy forward to those who want to believe in what I believe in and want to take this legacy forward. Thank you very much.